Okay, today I'll be showing you how to duplicate the iMobsters app using a jailbroken iPhone 5. Um, you will need udid faker and iFile correct. Okay, so in order to get udid faker and iFile correct, you need to go into Cydia, wait for it to download, search iFile correct. Okay, you would want to install it at this point. Next, you would search udid faker, which is right there. Install. One thing I noticed with udid faker on my phone is that I had activator and SBS settings installed through Cydia, and all my apps weren't showing up. Now all my apps show up. So I had to uninstall those in order to get it to work. Now, as far as the duplicate process goes, you go into iFile, you push home, it'll show applications. Okay, you select applications. Now here you can see all my apps. If all your app names aren't showing, you go to settings, application names, and you want to turn that on so that you can actually see which application you're going to be duplicating. Okay, you will find iMobsters. All these other iMobsters are just my duplicates. This should be the only one you see. You select it, you push edit, select iMobsters app and iTunes artwork. You go to clipboard here, you select it, copy link, done. Go back, where here you push edit, and the plus sign, you want to create a file so that we can install the new duplicate we're going to be making. Now, I already have 22 iMobster duplicates, so this will be number 23. So it's iMob 23. Create. Done. So now we look for iMob 23, which is right there. Select it. Go to edit. Go back to the clipboard, and we're going to paste the two links that we copied from before. Done. You go into the actual app. Scroll down till you see info plist. Info plist. Okay, you select that. You select property list viewer. Now you go to CF bundles display name. Select it. Since this is my 23rd one, I'm putting 23. If this is your first one, I would put 1 just so you can know which one you're doing. You go down here to CF bundle identifier, iMobsters, and you put that same number, 23. Okay. Back. Done. Now, I just like double checking myself, so I go back in, iMobsters 23, iMobsters 23. Okay, done. Now you go back, iMob 23, back to applications, and I just have a habit of pushing home. From here you want to exit. As you can see, the app isn't here still, so what you're going to do is do a hard boot, which is pushing the top button and the home button at the same time. Okay. Now you push the hot button one more time so that it starts rebooting. This could take a little while sometimes, so be patient. Now, once it reboots, we're not going to see the app automatically. We're going to have to go back into iFile and basically verify that it's there. Once we verify it, we'll exit back out and the app should be there. So as soon as it's done, you go back in. As you can see, it's still not there, so you go back to iFile, you're at the home. So you push applications, you scroll down, iMobsters 23. Select it, go back into the app, scroll back down to info plist, which is right there. Now you're gonna have two info plists. The second one is because you made alterations to it. So you go in, property list viewer, iMobsters 23, iMobsters 23, done. Go back to applications. I always push home, exit, exit, iMobsters 23. Now, if I would go into it at this point, it would basically be a copy of my original main iMobsters app. So in order to get it to be a new one, I need to go to udid faker and find iMobsters 23, which is right there. Select it. Now, at this point, you're going to want to give it a random UDID. Okay. Go back. And open it up. There you go. All done.